Here we go. All right, so this is a checklist of the things you will need in order to pull this off, right? In order to get your campaign off the ground, get it cranking, get it working for yourself. All right, so I kind of wanted to put this as a standalone for you, so you can always come back to it later. You can reference it later. You know, as you're setting up your campaigns, you can always come back to this video and you can, you know, kind of check the checklist. All right, make sure that you have all the things and make sure you're doing things in the right order. All right, it's very easy to get distracted. It's very easy to get confused, you know. But I think it's not going to be the case with you because, you know, we'll keep everything in a step-by-step process for you, in a step-by-step fashion. So I think it's going to be very, very easy for you to follow along. So here is my pre-flight checklist. Okay, here's what we need. The first thing is we need to get a product to sell. Of course, how are you going to make money with no product, right? So we need to have something to promote, something that we're going to be selling, something that we're going to be making money with. Now, the cool thing is, my friend, this can be your product. This can be an affiliate offer. If you are my partner, you know, one of my VIP partners, you can promote, you know, our stuff if you want. This can be a CPA offer. This can be a business opportunity. It doesn't matter what you're into. You can promote virtually anything with this traffic strategy. Okay, pretty nice. Then we'll need to do a little bit of a CPV research and preparation. So hopefully you are familiar with the CPV traffic strategy, right? Cost per view or PPV, pay-per-view traffic strategy in the what is it? In level 1 of High Traffic Academy, you know, we have an entire module called the penny traffic module, right? And I kind of walk you through, I get you familiar with the PPV traffic strategy, how to get traffic with from you know, pay-per-view networks and whatnot, right? So hopefully you are familiar with that. So, but we'll need to do that a little bit here because remember, we're going to be combining, right? We're going to be combining CPV method and some other stuff as well, right? But it's not gonna be difficult. It's gonna be actually very, very easy. Then we'll need to get the retargeting code, and I'm gonna explain to you what that means and how to do that. Okay. Then we'll need to create a landing page. We want to make sure you have a landing page for this strategy. But listen, you are a member of High Traffic Academy. You are here, so creating a landing page for you is gonna be a walk in the park. It's really gonna be simple. It's really gonna be easy. You're not gonna have to mess around with HTML codes or programming or designing or any of that stuff, right? It's going to be very, very easy. And of course, I'm going to walk you through everything in step-by-step here. So then we'll set up a retargeting campaign. This is where the magic is going to happen. All right. So this is kind of, we're going to sprinkle the magic dust on our thing, right? Nobody, I mean, to my knowledge at least, you know, I haven't seen anybody who knows this stuff and actually who teaches this stuff out there. So, but I'm gonna walk you through. This is very important. We need to set up this retargeting campaign. It's going to work in, you know, it's going to work, you know, hand in hand. It's going to go kind of hand in hand with the CPV campaign as well. All right. And finally, what we do is we set up our CPV campaign. We get it cranking. We get it off the ground. And that's pretty much our checklist of the things that we'll need. All right. So what we are going to do right now is we're going to take one thing at a time that's on this checklist. Okay, and I'm going to walk you through that in in detail. Really, just taking one thing at a time, and I'm going to have a separate video for that one thing. I think it's going to be easy for you to follow along that way. Okay, you ready? Should we go ahead and get started on this thing? So let's talk about choosing a product, right? So what kind of product? You know, how to choose a product. I'm going to tell you what converts best from my personal experience. All right, so we'll see you in the next video.